Well guys, I'm pretty excited today. I just got 3 new sets from Mayhew Tools. Let's open each one of these up and take a look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I've got these 3 master bit sets from Mayhew Tools to look at today. They sent me the 36-piece Torx, the 18-piece triple square, and the 26-piece metric hex master set. I'm super excited to take a look at these up close. I did see them for a minute at the SEMA show and I was super impressed. Let's just get right to it and I'll show you what's included. First, let's start with the Torx set here. Now each one of these comes in a color-coordinated foam tray. Now, as you can see, this is a very nice set, very complete. I love the foam tray that it sits in too. That's gonna slide right into my toolbox drawer. This isn't very tall. Let me get a quick measurement for you. Now, this looks like the max height is 2 1/8 inch tall, and the rest of the dimensions here, we might as well measure this. 8 3/4 inches this way by 12 1/2 this way. So if you're planning out your drawers, just to give you an idea on what those dimensions are. And this is gonna go from E4 all the way up to E24. The 5 smaller sizes are 1/4 inch drive on the E sockets. From E10 to E16, these are gonna be 3/8 drive, and then E18 to E24 are 1/2 inch drive. That's a nice heavy duty looking socket. Take a look at that. Now these are black sockets. I don't know if these are impact rated, but I do know that Mayhew Tools are lifetime warranty. Now on the regular Torx, or the short version here, we have T10 all the way up to T55. If you're taking off a truck bed, a lot of the bolts that hold those on are T55. Now we also have extended length Torx, same sizes, T10 all the way up to T55. In this case, this is an extra long extended version. And then we have a T60 and a T70. T70 will work on a Subaru differential drain plug. A very complete set in the Torx and E Torx, or inverted Torx. Part number 16063F. Let me set this aside. Now we'll take a look at the triple square here, the 18-piece version. We've got the short and extended triple square. This starts at M4 all the way up to M18. And then over here we have the M5 all the way up to M16. And then we have a number 910. I've never had to use this. I don't know what it's for. If you guys do, please chime in the comments. Maybe I'm just ignorant here, but that's not something that I have had to use in all my years of wrenching. So I would love to know what that's for, or what particular job you might run into. And here it also includes a Torx T55. Again, that's going to be a little bit more common size, but they throw that here in with the triple square set. Part number 16066F. Again, pretty cool that it is color coded. So if you're, in a hurry and you got to grab something out of your box, if you have somebody helping you, you can say, hey, open this drawer. It's in the purple foam tray. I need the 3rd one over. You might already memorize the sizes here. So I love that. Let's take a look at the last one here, which is going to be our 26-piece metric hex master set. And there we go. Very nice, big, complete metric set here on the hex keys. So we've got the short bits, extended bits. We also have the extended with the ball end, or the ball hex end, and that is a really nice feature that can come in handy if you can't get straight on the fastener. So in the 1/4 inch drive sizes, we have 2, 2.5, 3, 4, and 5. And then they jump up to 3/8 drive, which is 6, 7, and 8. And then 10, 12, 14, 17, and 19 are all going to be 1/2 inch drive. Now, a lot of European cars, I've noticed, use an Allen or hex style bolt for their axle nut. So this will come in handy. I'm not sure, I can't remember if that was a 19 or a 17, the one that I worked on most recently, but we've got all the way up to 19. So that should cover us for most everything. And then in the long or extended version, we've got the 3, 4, and 5 in the 1/4 inch drive, 6, 7, and 8 in the 3/8 drive. And then we do have a hex 10 and a 1/2 inch drive. That's the largest on the extended. And then it goes to the ball hex. 3, 4, and 5 are going to be 1/4 inch drive. 6 and 8 are going to be 3/8 drive. And then the number 10 ball hex is also 1/2 inch drive. Now, one thing I like about Mayhew Tools is that they're somewhat universal across the board with their colors. So you can see this is orange again on their dual drive set. This is the metric dual drive set. So I love that the master set is also color coordinated to orange. You kind of just get used to that, and you kind of train yourself to know what color or what it is that you're looking for, whatever you need. But if you've got a helper or something like that, you could say, hey, reach into that drawer right there and grab me the largest size in the orange foam tray. You know, you can arrange these however you need to fit in your toolbox. I should give you the dimensions on these ones here real quick too. So the metric hex is going to be 11 by 15.5, and the triple square, same thing, that's 11 by 15.5 as well. Now I know these are probably too nice for me. I mean, I'm not really all that organized, but I'm hoping that these will help me get organized. You know, I definitely need to do a toolbox overhaul, get rid of some stuff that I don't need or don't use anymore. This is awesome. I'm super excited to get these into my toolbox and be able to find the tools that I need in a hurry. You know, being organized like this is definitely going to save you some time. And just, you know, with just one purchase of either of these sets or all three, you know, for example, that you're covered. And if you're working on something that's Torx or inverted Torx, you've got it. If you're working on something that needs metric hex, you have it. If you're working on something that's a triple square, you'll have the tool that you need when you need it. Again, this number 910 bit, I know I could probably do a quick Google search and figure that out, but if some of you have used it, I would love to hear your experience. And they include the T55, I imagine, because that's a pretty commonly used tool, but we've got it here, and we also have it here in the Torx set. So that's the only duplicate tool that we have here, the T55 on both, but I don't mind that at all. Especially if you're working on one specific project, you might even take one of these trays with you, take it over to the vehicle or the area that you're working. Again, part numbers on these are 16063 on the Torx and E Torx set, 16065F on the metric hex, and 16066F on the triple square set. You know, having each one of these sets and as complete as they are, it's just so nice to know you can confidently jump into a job or tackle a job knowing that, you know, if you need an E12, you're gonna have it. If you need an E24 or something that big, you've got it. And so something that, you know, maybe you didn't have or weren't sure that you had, maybe, you know, you did one job and you bought one size. Well, having a master set like this will cover you for so many more jobs. You can confidently take that on or get that job started without having to worry if you're gonna have a 12mm extended triple square or not. But it really will boost your confidence in taking on a project, knowing that most likely you will have the tool or the bit that you need to remove whatever fastener you run into. Thanks again to Mayhew for sending these to me. I really do appreciate your sponsorship, and I really do love your tools, and I'll definitely be using these on some future projects, and you'll see them in some more videos as well. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick these up as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.